Can you create ultra realistic videos? I think you can with Kling. You're going to love how these turn out. Alright guys, so if you want to see Kling in action, awesome videos, you're going to think, how the heck is this possible? This is the Kling model series. This looks super realistic. In fact, it's hard to tell the difference. And obviously you can kind of tell it's AI, but with all the AI models out there, I really like this one. I think it's pretty cool. So how exactly does it work? First, you want to click on Create Now. And this will give you access to start using it. So what it'll do, it'll go ahead and load up here, and we can see what it looks like. Boom. So user guide. We can make videos right here. Now, these are very high quality videos. You don't necessarily need the user guide, but you can go ahead and play around, explore with this. This is going to show you exactly how to do it. So this is the Kling video user guide, has all the information here you need and what's different, what's changed, what makes it good, what separates it from other models. All right. So boom. I go back to creating it now. Make a frog dancing up and down. And we can go ahead and generate. Now, to do that, you will need to sign in with Google. And there's a cool little anime thing too. So yes, you can do anime, you can do a whole lot of fun other stuff right here. So let's make it happen. Now, there are different plans with different models. So let's start for as low as 7. But this is how you can see Kling. So that's how you'd go ahead and generate a video if you did do that. Now you can see this makes hyper realistic videos every time you do that. And all you have to do, you don't have to create any of this. You just have to simply prompt it, and you can go ahead and pick the type of video that you want. If you do want to do video 1, if you want the specific resolution, whatever you want it to look like, and how many credits that you want to use. So now I can go ahead and generate a video, and we're just going to sit back and see how it looks. So look at that happy front, and that's really good and super realistic. So that is Kling in a nutshell, making hyper realistic videos with a simple prompt. So let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next one.